So in the previous video, we talked about direct labor variances and particularly direct labor rate variance. Uh, Now what we want to do is look at the labor efficiency variance. So here, what we'll do is we will compare actual hours at the standard price with the standard hours at the standard price. So we're holding the price constant here. So now we're going to hold it at the constant at the standard. Did we work more or fewer hours than expected? That's the question. So following along, this is a comparison of actual hours with standard hours. So if actual hours are greater than standard hours, we will have an unfavorable labor efficiency variance. And if actual hours are less than standard, we will have a favorable labor efficiency variance. So an example might be of benefit here. So say we have a standard hours or expected hours are 882, and the standard price or standard rate is $17 per hour. So put that in as there. So this would be heading in. This would be our expectation of costs. If the actual hours turn out to be 932 and our actual price or rate is instead $18, how does this manifest itself? So when we look at the labor rate variance, then maybe I'll move these up out of the way a little bit here. When we look at the labor rate variance, we compare actual hours at actual price. So actual hours times actual price. So that's given below here as 932 multiplied by 18. And that gives us 16,776. Now we compare that with the actual hours at the standard price. So we take the actual hours of 932, multiply that by the standard price, and we get 15,844. So the variance then, or the labor rate, the variance is the difference between the two. So we take 16,776, subtract 15,844. We have 932, as the variance. Indeed, we spent more in terms of the wage than expected, so that gives us an unfavorable labor rate variance.